Hey guys, I hope you're well. Man, you're not gonna believe this crap. This really sucks. Now I've made my first pass at chamfering that edge of the ditch, and I may just say screw it. I can just straddle the ditch and with my mower, and I got something to show you. Hang on, this really sucks. Haven't done squat with the dead branches. Not jack diddly squat. Now I was sitting in my laundry radio room. I happened to glance out the window and was really quite shocked at what I saw. Got a cough. I'm sorry. My EFHW's been up for 2.5 years, and we had a wicked storm last fall with ice and snow, and a limb broke off and was hanging from my EFHW, and it held it, and that limb weighed about 300 pounds. And this is what I saw when I looked out my window. Here, man. It's knee high. Now, when I put this EFHW up, I don't have a launcher. It's a pretty tall tree, probably about 70 feet, 75 feet. I just held the rope and did a cowboy move and flung it, man. About the 7th or 8th time it went up over a real high limb. You want to see the limb, apparently, that has been holding that up for 2.5 years? Look at this little piece of shit. Look at this. Right? That weighs about 1.5 pounds, and it brought down my Blunder wire. To borrow a wonderful term coined by Radioactive. A Blunder wire. And I'll show you. I'll pause you. Now we're getting back here where it's dark and gloomy and shaded, and it has weird energy back here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm pulling the rope and up she goes. I'm gonna pause you again. Hang on. Okay, I'm done with Wonder Wire maintenance 2021. That's the first time I've had to do any maintenance on the old Wonder Wire, and I know this video is very exciting, and so I don't even think you can see it. It runs like that. Can you? That's a leg of my 40-meter dipole. Anyway, man. Off she goes. I can't even follow it. It goes way... man, up in there somewhere. No insulation. Well, the wire's insulated, but that's it. Yeah. Still waiting for my license renewal. I've been grumpy and cranky, but I didn't fall down. Take care, guys. 73 now.